Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Students of class 4, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mehrun one of your English teachers. How are you, students? I hope you all are fine. Do you remember my last class? In my last class, I discussed about question number 10, and I've also discussed about the basics of question number 10, and we also solved one example. Today, I'm here with another class on item number 10, and we will solve two more questions. So let's start. Model question 2. Question number 10. You know that in question number 10, you are given some instructions, and after the instructions, three questions are given, and the questions are based on the instructions, and you have to read the instructions and then answer the questions. So here are some instructions about appearing at exam, and we have to read the instructions and then answer the following questions. Do you know the meaning of appearing at an exam? Appearing at an exam means to take part in an exam. Okay, so here are the instructions to how what the um, mm, things you have to follow if you want to participate in an exam. First of all, number one, check that you have admit card, pen, pencil, and scale with you. So before going to the exam hall, you must ensure that you have all the things that you need in exam hall. So we know that in exam hall we need admit card, pen, pencil, and scale. Uh, and do you know what an admit card is? Yes, for any public exam, the students have to hold an admit card, and the admit card has their photographs, their roll number, signature. So it means that he or she is the real examinee. Okay, and with that admit card, students must have pen, pencil, and scale. You know that these are needed in exam hall. Next, number two, go to the exam hall 20 minutes before the exam starts. So we have to reach the exam hall at least 20 minutes before the exam starts. So we have some preparation before the exam starts. Next, number three, first read the whole question paper. That means when you get the question paper, you have to read the whole question paper from first to last. Number four, start writing with easy questions. So after going through the whole question, after reading the whole question paper, you have to start write answers and try to select the easy questions. Okay, at first your answer script should be started with easy questions. Number five, finish your writing and revise them. So you have to try to write all the answers of the questions. Um, and after completing your writing, you have to revise them. It will help you to correct your mistakes if you have done any mistakes while writing. So revision is a must. So these are the instructions that you have to follow before appearing at an exam. Now we will solve the questions. First question is knowledge based. Look at the question. When do you reach exam hall? Okay, I have copied the instructions here so that it will be easy for you to write the answer. So what is the first question? First question is knowledge based. when do you reach exam hall? So I told you in my last class that here you can write the answers in you can write your answer in words or in sentence. Both will be accepted. Um, Here, look, I have written the answer 30 minutes before the exam starts. So here in the instruction, it's 20 minutes. You can write 20 minutes. So I write 30 minutes because I think students should reach the exam hall at least 30 minutes before the exam starts. And if you write 20 minutes, it will be okay. And you can write the answer in this way also. In sentence, I reach exam hall 30 minutes before the exam starts. If you write the answer in this way, it will be also accepted. So you can write the answer in verse or in full sentence. Both will be acceptable. So this is the question of knowledge. When do you reach exam hall? Next question, understanding. Why should you read the whole question paper? Students, look, I have copied the instructions here also so that you can write the answer easily. And look at the instruction now 3. First, read the whole question paper. So you have to answer this question by understanding. So why should you read the whole question paper? So you will not find the answer here. You have to understand. You have to understand and you have to write it by yourself. So what do you think, that why should a student read the whole question paper before starting writing? What do you think? Okay, see the answer that I write. Okay, I should read the whole question paper to understand the questions and to answer them properly in a planned way. So before starting writing, you have to make a plan how you will write the answers of the questions. So for that reason, you have to understand the whole question, and to understand the questions you must read the whole question paper and to make a plan. That's why you have to read the whole question paper before starting your writing. So you can write this answer. So why should you read the whole question paper? To understand the question and to make a plan how you will write the answers. Next question, application. What do you do in the exam hall? There are the instructions again, and it is the question based on application, and that means how what do you do in practical life in exam hall. Practically what you do. Okay, I have arranged the answer like this. I do some certain things in exam hall. I told you what the meaning of the word certain. Certain means nirdishto. So I do some certain things in exam hall. First, I take admit card. So you have to take the things that you need in the exam hall. So I take admit card, pen, pencil, and scale with me. Uh, Here the instructions are written in imperative sentence, but you have to write it in assertive sentence. I told you in my previous class. Okay, and you have to use some connectors. Then if the um, if the questions or if the instructions are on সিকোয়েন্স বেসড, মানে একটার পর একটা হচ্ছে, এরকম যদি ধারাবাহিকতা থাকে যে এটার পর এটা করছি, সো ইন দ্যাট কেস ইউ হ্যাভ টু ইউজ দিস connectors, then after that next. Okay, so here look at the second sentence. I take admit card, pen, pencil, scale with me, and then I go to exam hall 30 minutes before the exam starts. after getting the question paper পাওয়ার পর কি করি আমি I read the whole question paper, then তারপর I start writing with easy questions. So this answer I have written following the instructions. Okay, you can write this way, in this way. At last I finish my writing and revise them. Okay, so this is the answer of application. You will write this answer following the instructions, and you have to write the answer in assertive sentence, though the instructions are given in imperative sentence. Okay, and now we will solve another one example. Model question 3, question number 10. So there are the instructions. These instructions are of cleanliness. Okay, so read the instructions. First, take a bath every day, wear clean clothes, cut your nails, wash your hands with soap before taking food and using washroom, and keep your room and surroundings clean. So all the instructions are given in easy language. You will understand easily. So take a bath every day, wear clean clothes. You have to take a bath every day, and you have to put on clean clothes. Then you have to cut your nails, and we have to wash our hands with soap before taking food and after using washroom, and keep your room and surroundings clean. We have to keep our room and our surroundings means চারপাশ কি করতে হবে পরিষ্কার রাখতে হবে. So these are the instructions. So let's solve the question. First question is knowledge based. When do you take your bath every day? So this is an information based question. You have to give an information. When do you take your bath? So every day I take my bath at 11:30 a.m. You can write another time. You can write 1 p.m. or 12 p.m. Okay, you can write the answer only in verse at 11:30 am. So I told you that anything will be accepted. If you write the answer in full sentence, it will be acceptable, and if you write the answer in only verse, it will be also acceptable. Let's go to the next question. Understanding. Why should you follow the rules of cleanliness? So you have to answer the question by understanding yourself. Okay, here I have written the instructions again. So why should you follow the rules of cleanliness? কেন আমাদের পরিচ্ছন্নতার যে রুলসগুলো ফলো করতে হবে? কেন? Why? পরিচ্ছন্ন থাকতে হবে কেন? We all know that, don't we? Okay, look, I have written the answer for you. Here you can write I or we, both will be correct. I should follow the rules of cleanliness because it is part of good health. It is part of good health, and it saves us from many diseases. Diseases means রোগ বা অসুখ. Okay, we should follow the rules of cleanliness because it's part of good health. এটা হচ্ছে good health এর একটা অংশ, and কি করে it saves us from many diseases. এটা আমাদের অনেক রোগ থেকে বাঁচায়. That's why we have to maintain, or you have to follow the rules of cleanliness. So you have to answer the question by understanding. You will not find the answer in the instructions. Okay, you have to answer this by understanding. So and I know very well that you understand these things. This question is up to your understanding level, so you can easily understand. So why should we do this? Let's go to the next one. Application. So how you apply this knowledge of cleanliness in your practical life. So what is the question here? See, how do you maintain cleanliness? These are the instructions again. How do you maintain cleanliness? কিভাবে cleanliness you maintain করো? Okay, here look, I have added 2 pictures of maintaining cleanliness. So we have to clean ourselves, and of course at the same time we have to clean our surroundings. Okay, let's see the answer. I maintain cleanliness by doing some certain things. I take a bath every day and wear clean clothes. I cut my nails regularly. I wash my hands with soap before taking food and using washroom. I keep my room and surroundings clean. Thus, I maintain cleanliness. Okay. Look, girls, here I have not used then, after that, next. I didn't use this kind of connectors because this is not a sequence. এটা কোনো ধারাবাহিক কোনো কাজ না. These all are just statement, simple present tense. সো এখানে কোনো সিরিয়াল কোনো কাজের কোনো ধাপ নেই. ওকে, দ্যার ইজ নো স্টেপ, সিরিয়াল স্টেপ সিকোয়েন্স নেই যে এটার পরে এটা করি, এটার পরে ওটা করি. দিস আর দ্য প্রেজেন্ট ইনডিফিনিট টেন্স. সো কি কি আমরা নর্মালি করে থাকি, কি কি তুমি নর্মালি করে থাকো টু মেনটেন ক্লিনলিনেস. ওকে, সো এই টাইপসের যদি ইনস্ট্রাকশনসগুলো থাকে, দেয়ার ইজ নো সিকোয়েন্স, দেন ইউ নিড নট ইউজ দেন, আফটার দ্যাট, নেক্সট, অ্যাট লাস্ট. হ্যাঁ, ইউ নিড নট ইউজ দিস থিংস, জাস্ট রাইট নর্মালি. ওকে, যেমন I if you can write in this way that I wash my hands, I cut my nails. So here there is no sequence. তুমি একটার আগে পরে হলেও কোনো সমস্যা নেই. Okay, so I maintain cleanliness by doing some certain things. If you understand this first line, so you can apply this in every answer. And all the instructions are given in imperative sentence. You have to write it in assertive sentence. I take a bath every day and wear clean clothes. I cut my nails regularly. I wash my hands with soap before taking food and after using washroom. And I keep my room and surroundings clean. So thus means এভাবে. Thus I maintain cleanliness. So I hope students you understand the class, and if you have any problem understanding my class, please phone me in your diaries. You have my phone number, and try to solve the rest of the questions yourself. And I hope I will come again with another class with another new topic. Thank you for being with me. Allah Hafiz.